This is why I love thrifting and estate sales, because of finds like these. This metal dresser I came across was perfect for my backyard. Upon further inspection, I realized it was actually worth quite a lot, but I was able to snag it for just $120. After a good clean, I popped open a fresh can of Rust-Oleum Custom Spray 5-in-1 Clean Metal Primer, and I went with setting 5 for the horizontal fan application. It went on like a dream. I used setting 3 low output for the edges of the dresser to reduce any overspray, and for a color, I picked Peaceful Blue, also a stops rust with Custom Spray 5-in-1. Since I'm using this dresser outside and the top is a laminated plywood, I decided to apply some gorgeous marble penny round tile. While that's set, I spray painted the rest of the drawers using setting 2 standard output. Now my last step was to grout the tile, which is always satisfying. Now here's the boring before and here's the after. If you haven't figured it out yet, it's my new planting station with tons of garden storage. So cute, right? So if you're on the hunt for something specific when secondhand shopping, have an open mind, reverse image search always, and do your homework so you know what to look for. Then use Rust-Oleum to transform your new find, because it's the official spray paint of summer and yard sales.